Welcome back to another installation video, and this time we're gonna install this rear screen into a Tesla Model 3 thanks to Evanex, and we will show you installation guide, fit and finish, and functionality of it. So stay around and we can show you step by step on what you need to do. So to start, it's good to have plastic pry tools, but there are times that just using your fingers, it's always good to have plastic pry tools. This way you avoid scratching and damaging components. And sometimes you can just use your fingers and lift. These are all just clipped in. So you remove this AC vent in the back. You have your connector down here. It has a tab. You lift the tab, it comes right out. And then the bottom piece, you can use the pry tools or your fingers. You grab it. It also just pops out, and now you have access to the rear. So here you have a small layout of your parts. This is your screen. It's going to take the bracket for your USB ports and the AC vent. This is a harness, which is a piggyback into your connector. You have an adapter for your USB-C and your wires. So now we need to take apart your stock AC vent trim. We're going to take out the USB-C module and the vents to be able to install on the new components. In your original vent, you have two bolts. Original. These two top bolts, we need to take them out. We're going to swap this vent into the new bracket and trim. So many videos might make it seem simple. I already took it apart. It's gonna come out as a whole piece, but you do have to fight with some complicated clips in there. Let me point out to the clip. So this clip in here is the complicated clip. Can you see it clearly? So that one there's gonna be 4 of them, which is this one, this one, this one, and this one. You need to take this vent out so you can reach this module 2 bolts, so you can remove it and swap it on to your screen trim piece. So this module comes out of here, and we need to install it on your new display. It goes into the guides. You see the small guides here, that guide and this guide. That way they line up for your USB-C connections. And now we bolt it down. You have Bluetooth, USB if you want to connect one, and you can even put a SIM card and get some connectivity if you want. You can control the rear seat heaters. You can move the passenger seat back and forth so this person has more leg room. You can't do it on the driver's side because they're driving and it'll be unsafe. Here you can control volume and the music that they're playing up front. That way you can have fun with the driver and the passenger. And here is for music if you haven't stored in a USB or in a SIM card or an SD card, that you have a slot in the top and you can store music and even videos there. Here you have apps that you can download. You go up, you have your Play Store where you can download more games if you want to, or more applications. Here we have Prime Video already installed, YouTube, Netflix, all the games. If you go into Netflix, you can go into your Netflix account. Let's try watching this one. So you have audio out back here. Brightness,